Hi, my name's McKenna.
And I'm Michelle. Welcome to Chateau Marmont by Pure Locations.
Today we're in Vaucluse and we're taking a tour of an incredible eclectic masterpiece. It's a blend of culture and style. Let's have a look. Tucked away in Sydney's eastern suburbs, this is a shoot location that will whisk you away to another world. Chateau Marmont was built in 1933 and renovated in 2021. The owner took special care to incorporate all the beautiful touches of her own style into the original architecture. She blended together Spanish, Moroccan, and French influence to create a one-of-a-kind location. This unique living room is beloved by the owner as well as all of our creative clients who have shot here. It mixes in a bit of Hollywood glamour into the mission style of this home. It's a nod to the original Chateau Marmont in Los Angeles, and with the outlook to the European gardens, it is truly a serene space.
The attention to detail in this shoot location is unparalleled. Touches like this checkerboard bathroom give a hint of personality and playfulness. Ideal for a beauty shoot looking for something unique, or a fashion client searching for a striking backdrop.
This is another way in which the owner tied in Moroccan influence, using colorful tones and intricate tiling. We hope you enjoyed this tour of Chateau Marmont, a very incredible shoot location.
We'll see you on the next house tour.